Hey, welcome to another episode of Cold Email Teardowns, where I got my knee up today because we're relaxing, we're chilling. We're tearing down cold emails. I'm the cold email king. And today we're looking at Instagram account management. Cold email teardowns, if you don't know, is we take outreach emails. Outreach is reaching out to customers that do not know who you are. We take those emails, we take what you're actually sending, and we make them better, live, for you, speaking out loud to improve your cold email campaigns. Today, we're looking at one that's selling Instagram content management. So let's get into it. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. Before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed down below and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's look at this email. Subject, quick query. Said he sent 200 and opened 22. I'll show you that in a second. Hey Alex, I was going through your Instagram page and I could totally relate with your amazing content. Going further, I would like to say that recently I helped one of your niche coaches named Health Coach Kate and blew up her revenue by 68% and her Instagram engagement by 541%, strategizing and managing her Instagram. I'm offering a free week of my services to help blow up your business too. Could you send some time to talk? Best, Philza. And then it looks like she has a case study here where she did have more engagement. I would assume this is either, maybe it's a viral post, maybe it's bots, maybe it's ads, who knows? I don't know. That's what I'm thinking when I'm looking at this. Accounts reached 10.8K. No, you know what this is? So this is a page with low engagement that it now has normal engagement. So let's start with the subject line. Quick query. Sent rate 200, open rate 22. That is 22 out of 200 is an 11% open rate. So when your open rate's this low, let me tell you, 11% is a really low open rate. Typically, you're looking for 70% is a good open rate to aim for. Anywhere between 65 and 90 is a good spot. 11 is definitely not. I do not know if it's because of the phrase quick query. I would guess based on the market of Instagram influencers, this could be a lead generation issue caused by either a high bounce rate or low quality leads. For Instagram influencers, I recommend hiring on Upwork. And you can see our Upwork hiring script right here. So I don't have the data to rewrite the subject line, but I will rewrite it anyway. Love you. You're from a fan, right? Or you could also write the alternative I would test is maybe from a fan. These are influencers. They have big egos, playing to the ego. Hey, Alex, I was going through your Instagram page and I could totally relate to your amazing content. I love that. And I'd love to help you grow. The last person I grew on IG in the health niche blew up her revenue, I would say got 68% more sales, and her Instagram engagement increased by 5x. Mind if I help you grow for free? Just need a yes and we can sort out the details. Here's where my head is right now. She wanted to do this for free. I don't know why. I would assume she wants to do it for free to eventually become paid. But she has a case study. There's no need for her to do it for free. So I would instead say, would you be opposed to a quick call to chat details? Thanks, Philza. And that's it. So check this out. Subject, love you. Hey, Alex, I was going through your Instagram page and I could totally relate with your amazing content and I'd love to help you grow. The last person I grew on Instagram in the health niche got 68% more sales and her Instagram engagement increased by 5x. Would you be opposed to a quick call to chat details? Thanks, Philza. And then I would remove this screenshot. I don't like sending cold emails with images because they tend to get marked as spam more often. And that's it. Nice short cold email, specific offer, specific value, nice compliment in the first line. This is now following the 3 C's, compliment, case study, call to action. Compliment, case study, call to action, textbook, cold email teardown. And you can see the difference here, before, after. Want me to look at your email? Leave it down in the comments below and you might see yourself on the next episode of Cold Email Teardowns. Or if you definitely want me to take a look, then join Email 10K Ultimate and I'll look at it on one of our weekly calls. You'll get to meet me, we'll talk about your email campaigns, and we'll help improve your business. You can do that by going to email10k.com. And if you want to generate leads for your business, you want special deals on leads, then you can check out Lead Shark. There's a special offer down below. You can get a bunch of leads for not too high of a price. So check that out in the description below if you want to grow your business. And make sure to check out the Cold Email Teardown playlist for more videos like this. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content, subscribe for more like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.